Year's Eve feel the same nowadays. After a few years of going to the same parties with the same people, the feeling of déjà vu is hard to escape. With the coming new year though, it would be an adventure to head out of your comfort zone and go somewhere unknown. Experience the magic in a different city with and imbibe the unknown, or head to one of the lovely vacation spots common to all and see them transformed for the new year. Number 1. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are one of the best places to celebrate New Year. The beautiful natural surroundings and peace makes it one of the best destinations for celebrations. One can party hard on islands, beaches, resorts, yacht etc. at this stunning place. It is one of the cleanest and greenest part of India with a lot of calm and peace. The boat riding and other water sport activities are one of the best things to enjoy your moments. The beautiful scenery helps you to forget all the tensions and energizes for an enthusiastic new year. Apart from beautiful islands, there are several tourist spots situated on these islands which will make your new year more fabulous. Number 2. Goa. Hailed as the place to be in India on New Year's, Goa gives you the perfect eclectic mix of a nightlife that is filled with music, booze and fun. With a host of great club, exotic cuisine, truly international ambience and fireworks by the beach side, Goa undoubtedly makes your New Year's a night to remember and cherish forever. The beach parties at Vegadar and Anjuna is where most of the crowd is headed for the spectacular ambience, and perhaps you should join them too. From traditional food to seafood, tourists can find and eat anything they love. Famous resorts and bars provide special arrangements on the eve of New Year. Apart from Indians, several foreigners around the globe visit Goa to enjoy and celebrate. Goa is also one of the best places for party lovers. Number 3. Pondicherry. With its easy access beaches, Pondi is a place you can enjoy whether you're with friends or family or both. The delicious food aside, the presence of two distinctly varied cultures of French and Tamil lends the place a special charm on New Year's Eve that leaks onto the celebrations in a swirl of oneness. Also, the daru is damn cheap. Number 4. Ooddy. Ooddy is one of the most famous hill stations situated on Nilgiri Hills. It is again one of the best places to celebrate New Year with nature. The place consists of some exotic natural beauty with awesome atmosphere. One can enjoy the Indian cold weather at its best in Ooddy during New Year days. The lakes, gardens, parks add a tremendous flavor in your holidays. The place consists of some very beautiful and amazing resorts, hotels, guest houses etc. only for the purpose of New Year celebrations. Number 5. Mumbai, Maharashtra State. The financial capital of India, or Mayanagari, is none other than Mumbai. Mumbai is the city which never sleeps and is always full of zeal for a new day. So obviously, how this city can be unprepared for a new year? The celebrations of New Year in this city is a worth watch. People from different parts of country come here to enjoy the New Year celebrations. The city is a perfect destination as it facilitates everything one could imagine to celebrate with. Number 6. Manali, Himachal Pradesh. Good for hills, adventure sports, hippies. Manali is the Indian favorite for witnessing snowfalls and skiing. Full of pine trees, fruit orchids and hippies, it's an ideal place to celebrate New Year in India for those who want to end their year on a high, both literally and figuratively. Take a ride on the Manali Highway or visit the choicest little winter destinations nearby. The natural beauty of this place is sure to liven up your spirits as the year ends. Number 7. Kasol, Himachal Pradesh. Good for hills, hippiness, trekking. A small, quaint and cozy escapade in the scenic hills of the Himachal, Kasol gives you the best of both worlds. Parvati Valley, located here, is one of the most beautiful destinations not only in India, but in the world. It would obviously be very cold here during New Year, but the great time you will spend here partying and breathing in the fresh mountain air and enjoying the scenic beauty, is bound to make you forget about the chill. With its crazy party scenes and beautiful natural scenery, this is a place to be during New Year's Eve. Number 8. Varkala, Kerala State. The most serene beaches you can imagine, not too crowded, and a whole bunch of delicious food options at the clifftop cafes make Varkala as close to heaven on earth as you can get. Check out Tabby restaurant for authentic Swedish cuisine courtesy the Nepali chefs, and give the local surf school a call to enjoy the most amazing views while on a board in the sea. The perfect New Year. Number 9. McLeodganj, Himachal Pradesh State. This quaint little town nestled in the lap of Dharamsala in Himachal Pradesh, is home to one of the best homely experiences that can be offered to you. With the feel of the mountainside as you enjoy an eclectic selection of cuisines, be it Tibetan, Japanese or Italian, if on a budget, a holiday in McLeodganj is next to paradise. You can sit in the quaint little cafes of the town and enjoy the cozy atmosphere. Number 10. Gulmarg, Jammu and Kashmir State. Get in a festive mood at the serene city of Gulmarg. Those who want to welcome New Year in the lap of nature come to this city. It is not one of those locations with loud music and crazy parties. This city is meant especially for people who like snow and silence. Love is in the air at this time, and the place becomes one of the romantic destinations for the newlyweds. Go skiing with your friends and family and enjoy the snow here. This place is definitely a heaven for the nature lovers. Look forward to New Year's Bash at Haven Retreat. Enjoy gondola ride at Gulmarg, a drive at the Outer Circle Walk. Number 11. Udaipur, Rajasthan State. Good for lakes, palaces, historical. Also known as the City of Lakes, Udaipur is famous for its Rajputana palaces, handicraft market and diverse wildlife. A romantic heaven, the climate and surroundings of Udaipur have given it the informal title of the Kashmir of Rajasthan. Visit the place around New Year's Eve if you want to be treated like royalty. Number 12. Coorg, Kodagu, Karnataka. Good for hills, wildlife, Buddhism, trekking. The Kodagu region, also known as Coorg, is famous because of its cool climate throughout the year and picturesque surroundings. The tea gardens and the coffee and spice plantations just add to the beauty of the place. One of the best places to celebrate the new year against the scenic backdrop. A popular hangout spot for the Bangalore IT crowd, Kodagu is also famous amongst the bird watchers and backpackers. Number 13. Alappuzha, Kerala State. Good for backwaters, beaches, Ayurveda. Alappuzha or Alleppey is called the Venice of the East, and with its vast variety of canals, lagoons, beaches and backwaters, rightly so. If a serene getaway is on your mind this year, and look no further. A very traditional village life coupled with the best backwaters experience in India make Alappuzha ideal for those looking to greet the new year in peace. Number 14. Munnar, Kerala State. Munnar lies in the southern part of India, and it's one of the most peaceful cities to start a new year. This beautiful place is situated in Kerala, where India offers you nature's beauty at its best. It's said that the atmosphere of Munnar contains some positive energy which strengthens the body and soul from inside. So obviously, Munnar gives you one of the best options to start a new year with high hope and positive energy. Tourists from various parts of globe reach Munnar. Number 15. Darjeeling, West Bengal State. Darjeeling is located in West Bengal and is one of the most beautiful places to spend the new year. Again, it's one of the places well surrounded by nature's beauty. Darjeeling celebrates Christmas with a lot of enthusiasm, and thus tourists want to continue those magical moments till New Year. The high Himalayas are one of the best places to start New Year. Number 16. Bangalore, Karnataka State. Another no-brainer, especially if you're familiar with B-Town's bar culture. Combine that with the New Year party atmosphere and you've got the perfect place to enjoy a New Year pub crawl while chugging some of the choicest brews. Hit up Harbour Brewery first and sample the fruity homebrew, the best kind of buzz. Or you could head a little outside the city and enjoy the calming Kaveri fishing camp. Number 17. Mussoorie, Uttarakhand State. Mussoorie, the proverbial queen of hill stations, as professed by the British gentry who evaded hot, desultory summers of Delhi and Kolkata by spending time here. Being at an average altitude of 2,000 meters, 6,600 feet, Mussoorie, with its green hills and varied flora and fauna, is a fascinating hill resort. Commanding snow ranges to the northeast, and glittering views of the Doon Valley and Shiwalik Ranges in the south, the town was once said to present a fairyland atmosphere to tourists. The highest point is Lal Tibba with a height of over 2,290 meters, 7,500 feet. Mussoorie, 300 kilometers north of Delhi, the capital of India, is among the more popular hill stations of India, and is called the Queen among the hill stations. It overlooks the sprawling Doon Valley and the city of Dehradun, the gateway to Mussoorie and in fact to the entire Garhwal region of the Himalayas. Spread over a ridge, 2,000 meters above sea level, Mussoorie offers distant views of the holy and mighty river Ganga from one end of the ridge, and of the famous river Jamuna from the other, a stretch of around 19 kilometers all. Number 18. New Delhi, the center of everything in India. Good for historic, religious, party, food, shopping. Last, but not the least, is the capital of India, which is no doubt one of the best places in India to celebrate New Year. The Connaught Place in the central part of Delhi is the must-visit part during New Year Eve. Apart from several functions, shoppers also finds it heaven due to the special New Year discount process generally followed by shopkeepers. Delhiites enjoys New Year in their own special way. Some prefer to drink, so some prefers to dance and party. The city welcomes New Year with a tremendous zeal. Number 19. Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh State. Vishakhapatnam or Vizag, which lies on the Bay of Bengal, is another beach destination of India to celebrate a wonderful New Year. The celebrations take place here with a lot of noise, encouraging music and dance. People welcome New Year mostly across the beach and resorts with different type of drinks. Apart from Indians, many foreigners too join the New Year party. Number 20. Kochi, Kerala State. Kochi in Kerala offers an amazing scene of beach, sea and backwaters. It's also one of the upcoming metro cities of India. The place consists of one of the biggest malls in India as well as the Kochi Metro under construction. Several event organizers select this place to make New Year celebrations. This lovely place is a well-developed city and one can enjoy its best with all means from artificial facts to natural delights.